talking to the agents about the rebranding of the Seaside Hotels. We're now the Seaside Collection. We have a total of 11 properties, 4 in the Canaries, which are the ones that I'm talking about during the workshops, and we have 1 in the Maldives, which is a brand new property for the Seaside Collection. We have different properties for different markets, so we range from 5-star grand luxury to 4-star. Our 4 stars are also a really high standard. All the hotels are renowned for a really high quality and excellent gastronomy, which is what Seaside Collection are renowned for. The new property in the Maldives is Finolhu. It's already opened, 125 rooms. It's an unusual property for the Maldives in that it is a fun, hip, funky place to be, and there's lots of activities and there's things for families, entertainment, etc. So quite a hippie, cool, retro groove chic to it.